Hello everyone, super excited to have you all back with us at Truck Techie. Today we are going to do an unboxing video of one of my favorite models from Herpa. Now let's dive in. Um, what we have today is a Renault T-Truck, a 6x2. This is a Herpa model. It's a 1:87 scale. It's made in Tietenhofen in Germany. And we'll just have a quick look at the packaging. On one side you have the Renault T6x2 badging, some basic information. We look at the license and trademark, and people who are interested can also check out herpa.de. Now let's dive in. When we open the box, we get the following items. You can see the vehicle in itself. Then we have the rear view mirrors as well as the one that's fixed onto the front view. Here we have the Renault 6x2 T series. So this is a 6x2 variant. You can see the front axle, the pusher axle as well as the driven axle. See how the power split happens from the front to the rear. It's a beautiful model. It's very exact to the actual vehicle. You can see the exhaust system, you can see that blue tank, and on the left side is the fuel tank. One might wonder why exactly is the battery box, but it's very cleverly packaged between the frame here and the rear, and below that is also an air tank installation. So fantastic model again from Herpa. This is a 6x2. So thank you so much. Do like, share and follow us, and please let us know in the comment section what you think about it. Thank you. Bye.